In this session, we are going to look at Textjoin function. Textjoin function helps to combine the information from multiple cells into one cell. So in this scenario, I have list of countries here. So I want all country to be in one cell. So in that case, you can use Textjoin. So this is almost similar to concatenate, but this is bit advanced level, which is available only in the Office 365. So let me start. Text join. So first, delimiter. So when you combine the text, what you want within from one text to another text. So I'll say I want comma. Then in case of blank cell, okay, if you choose true, it will ignore the blank cell. If you choose false, it will still consider the blank cells. So I don't want blank cells, so true. Then you have to choose the text. So let me go here, choose all the countries. So now you can see here, all the countries you got it in one cell. So if I change this to wrap text, so you can see everything in one place. So you can say comma. So, but you don't have any space between one country to another country. So that also you can include here. So I want comma space. So now you have comma plus space between one country to another country. So instead of comma, in case if you want hyphen, that is also possible. So I want hyphen. So let me give space before and after hyphen. So now you can see I have all the countries in one place. Okay. So this will helps to combine multiple cells into one cell. So this will also, in case if you want to prepare a paragraph, the information is available in multiple cells or multiple cells or the range. So what you can do is you can use Textjoin function and you can combine the data which is available in all the cells and you can bring it into one cell. So this is a Textjoin function. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in another video. Bye bye.